Hi, good evening. So this is another episode of my motovlog equipment or motorcycle riding essentials. Yan. This is my new equipment with motorcycling. So I have here the British brand RST motorcycle boots. This model is being kinuha siya ni SEC sa Philippines. This is a British brand, guys. So this is a very prestige brand, RST. So sobrang kilala siya pagdating sa gears. So we know Alpine Stars, we know Dainese. So in British, they have these brands, RST. So I have this model. The model is Tractech Evo 3. So this is the brand. So in my size, I choose 9, size 9. This is 43. For my rubber shoes, I usually use 44, but in leather, I use 43. So this is the sign. You can see the UK brands on RST, designed in United Kingdom. So why I recommend these boots? Because here in Philippines, if you invest in motorcycle boots or motorcycle gears, you have to spend or you have to kailangan mo mag-ipon ng maraming pera para makapag-invest sa magandang equipment or gears. Pero thank you with SEC, Team SEC, because they have this brand RST to get here in the Philippines and sell it in a very low price. Because they are in other countries, if you are checking to their website like Motard In, sa website nila mache-check nyo na ang price nito is nasa around 12,000 if ang price ng binili mo, pinurchase mo sa outside country is 10,000 higher, you can get tax here. So in Philippines, sobrang kurakot ng Pilipinas. So it's their standard. Meron silang 20% tax pagdating sa custom, bukod pa yung shipping fee. So aabutin ka ng estimating around 18 to 20,000 if you are going to buy this outside country. But thanks to SEC, Team SEC, because they have this brand and they sell it only 2 colors. But for me, it's okay because these are the standard neutral colors like black and white. They have black, this one, and they also have the black white, white black also. I've used these ones just to break in the leathers. So you can see meron na siyang ano dito. I have my shorts. You can check here on my YouTube how to break in motorcycle boots. So mache-check nyo doon kung paano ko siya break in. So madali lang siya i-break in, guys. But for the longer term, the more na ginagamit mo siya, the more na nabe-break in yung pinaka-leather niya. Mas lumalambot yung pinaka-leather quality ng dito para mas madali mo siyang i-ship pagdating sa shifting ng gear tsaka ng braking. So I really recommend this, guys, kasi sobrang mura niya kay SEC. Especially pagka binili mo sila sa page nila. So if you are gonna buy this in their store, so here there's a price tag at 8,500. I don't think if they can give you a discount in stores because business, especially branches. But this one guys, I bought this in Sek Moto Supply page in their Shopee. Then I get the voucher to them. Nga pala, nakapost siya sa Shopee ng around 7,999. And I luckily add to cart this one, but I am not really wanting to purchase because it's so expensive. 8,000 is a lot for me guys, so that's why. Pero nung namataan ko siya sa Shopee this October, like yung sale nila ng 10/10, so naka-mark down siya guys ng 7,199. So it has a discount of 800 na. So with that, I pursue to buy this. I have to invest it for myself. Since it's my birth month, I decided to bought this. So sinabi ko siya kay Mrs. na try ko siyang bilhin. And if I don't like it, I have to sell it. Luckily, I get a voucher. So, from 7,199, I only, pumalo lang ako siya ng, sorry sa pagsasalita ko kasi medyo slang na, ewan. Pumalo lang ako ng 5,600. So, I get a voucher. So, grinab ko na siya. That's why it's very cheap for me. If you are going to invest from that amount with this type of brands, sobrang premium at the same time super quality. Makikita mo naman sa pinaka design niya, yung pagkaka-built ng sapatos ng racing boots. This is actually a racing boots na guys. Super rigid, ang kapal ng leather, at kita mo naman guys, oh. Sa pure leather guys. And ang ganda niya. Ayan. Diba? If you gonna check this online, super quality. And the brand itself, hindi ka mapapahiya sa brand kasi RST. Most of the riders use this in racetrack, guys. RST. Makikita mo to sa mga sikat na nagba-vlog, and makikita mo rin siya sa sikat na mga MotoGP riders. If mahilig ka manood ng MotoGP, just like me, since moto enthusiast ako, so lagi ako updated ngayon. Kawawa si Jorge Martin. So ayun. So yun lang guys. For me, this is the best brand to invest. Thank you sa Team Sek, at meron sila ng brand na to. Sana they get another cheaper like RST riding race gloves, etc. I think they have the partner of this, the race suit, but that is super high to invest na guys. For me, I can make that also as an achievement if I have it. But on the other hand, I have these sets of gears on my back. Okay. Next time, yan naman ang pag-uusapan natin. So, for now, I'm just highlighting this brand, RST. Thank you sa Team Sek. Dahil sa napakagandang boots at sobrang social at quality nito. This is a UK brand. Thank you. Shout out Team Sek Philippines. Okay. Dito ko na ikakat yung aking vlog. So kung nagustuhan mo itong motovlog na to, don't forget to likes and subscribe sa aking video para mas ma-expand pa natin yung page natin. Thank you. Ciao!